The latest iteration of the KTM 200 Duke has begun arriving at dealerships across India. Officially launched last week, the motorcycle comes with a price tag of 2.03 rupees lakh, ex-showroom, making it approximately 5,000 rupees costlier than its predecessor. While KTM has retained the bike's mechanical setup, it has introduced notable feature upgrades. The most significant enhancement is the addition of a 5-inch TFT display, replacing the previous LCD dash. This is the same unit found on the new KTM 390 Duke. Riders can now connect their smartphones via Bluetooth to access turn-by-turn navigation, as well as receive SMS and call notifications. The screen also offers multiple theme options and a customizable color theme for the shift RPM indicator. Additionally, the 200 Duke now features Supermoto ABS, allowing riders to disable rear-wheel ABS for a more dynamic riding experience. In terms of design and hardware, the 200 Duke remains unchanged. It retains the aggressive styling reminiscent of the previous generation 390 Duke. Powering the motorcycle is a 199.5 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine delivering around 25 brake horsepower and 19.3 newton-meters of torque, paired with a 6-speed gearbox and a slipper clutch. The bike suspension setup consists of USD front forks and a monoshock at the rear, complemented by 17-inch alloy wheels and disc brakes on both ends. The 2025 KTM 200 Duke is available in 3 color options: dark Galvano, electronic orange, and metallic silver. A longtime favorite among street bike enthusiasts, the KTM 200 Duke continues to offer an impressive blend of performance, style, and affordability. With the 2024 to 2025 update, KTM has introduced key refinements, making the bike even more appealing to riders. Engine and performance. Duke 200. The Duke 200 was powered by a 199.5 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine that produced 24.67 brake horsepower at 10,000 RPM and 19.3 newton-meters of torque at 8,000 RPM. It featured a 6-speed gearbox, ensuring smooth and precise gear shifts. The bike was equipped with dual-channel ABS and front and rear disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power and enhanced safety. New 2024 to 2025 Duke 200. The latest Duke 200 retains the same 199.5 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine with minor refinements. It now delivers 24.6 brake horsepower at 10,000 RPM, with torque remaining steady at 19.3 newton-meters at 8,000 RPM. The 6-speed gearbox continues to provide seamless shifting. The braking setup remains unchanged, featuring dual-channel ABS along with front and rear disc brakes for optimal control and safety. Features and technology. Duke 200. The previous Duke 200 came with a digital instrument console displaying essential information like speed, trip details, and fuel level. While functional, it lacked advanced connectivity options, and riders had to rely on the standard LCD screen for basic riding data. New 2024 to 2025 Duke 200. The updated Duke 200 takes a major step forward with a 5-inch TFT display, replacing the older LCD unit. This new screen offers turn-by-turn navigation, making it more convenient for riders to explore new routes. With enhanced Bluetooth connectivity and smartphone integration, riders can now receive call and message alerts on the go. Additionally, the customizable color TFT display adds a modern and premium touch to the bike's design. Design and styling. Duke 200. The Duke 200 was widely recognized for its signature KTM styling, featuring sharp lines and an aggressive stance. It was available in a limited range of color options, including electronic orange black. New 2024 to 2025 Duke 200. The new Duke 200 retains the aggressive styling, but introduces updated design elements. One of the standout features is the new metallic silver color option, which adds a fresh and modern look to the bike. Additionally, the expanded color options include dark Galvano, electronic orange, and metallic silver. Comfort and ergonomics. Duke 200. The Duke 200 offered a comfortable riding position, suitable for both city commuting and short weekend rides. The seat height and handlebar positioning ensured an upright and relaxed posture, reducing fatigue during longer rides. New 2024 to 2025 Duke 200. The new Duke 200 maintains the comfortable ergonomics of its predecessor while incorporating minor adjustments for enhanced rider comfort. The improved cushioning on the seat and the slightly tweaked handlebar positioning contribute to a more comfortable riding experience, especially during extended journeys. Safety and handling. Duke 200. The Duke 200 was equipped with dual-channel ABS and disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power. The suspension setup included front WP upside-down forks and a rear monoshock, offering a balanced and stable ride. New 2024 to 2025 Duke 200. The new Duke 200 retains the trusted safety features of the old model, including dual-channel ABS and disc brakes. However, the suspension system has been fine-tuned for improved handling and ride quality. The WP upside-down forks and rear monoshock have been optimized to provide better shock absorption and stability, ensuring a smoother ride on various terrains. Pricing. Duke 200. The Duke 200 was priced at 1.99 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, offering excellent value for money in its segment. New 2024 to 2025 Duke 200. The new Duke 200 is priced slightly higher at 2.03 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, reflecting the added features and enhancements. Despite the price increase, the new Duke 200 continues to offer great value with its improved technology and design. Conclusion. The new 2024-2025 Duke 200 update brings several noteworthy improvements over the old model, particularly in terms of technology, design, and comfort. While the engine performance remains largely unchanged, the new TFT display, enhanced connectivity, and updated styling make the new Duke 200 a more attractive and feature-rich option. Whether you're upgrading from the old model or considering your first Duke, the 2024-2025 Duke 200 is sure to impress with its modern features and superior ride quality. The KTM 200 Duke is set for an exciting refresh in 2025, borrowing premium features from its bigger sibling, the 390 Duke. With a new TFT dash and advanced switchgear, the 200 Duke will bring a more refined experience for riders. Below, we dive into all the minor and major updates for this upcoming model, including a detailed breakdown of its features, specifications, prices, and FAQs. 1. New TFT dash. The most significant upgrade for the 200 Duke is the inclusion of a TFT thin film transistor display from the 390 Duke. This is a major improvement over the outdated LCD display, offering a modern and premium look along with additional features like real-time information display, riding modes, and improved readability in varying light conditions.